Top 4 po ang kukunin natin na kasama po yan sa GC ng Acting Golf for Northern Championship.
Yung setter.
Again, R5 po ng Flex and Elia. Game na tayo pag
Ito po tayo guys ngayon, live na live sa pang third game ng Flex. One of the best teams ever. Very cooperative, very live po. At their team like is top tier. Like, no one can match it. It's really out of this world. Their teamwork is very, very out of this world. Especially with their and their. Huh?
Talikod po, talikod. Omega, next game, court 2. Pasok po, ready po na, R5. Last fight po, Q5. Omega, ready po. Pinalo ng 11. Q5 versus Gangster in favor of Q5. Boy, nasa Q5 kayo ulit next game. Decision na alam.
Ano si Pablo mo? Ay, seryoso! Sir, si Tabo! Tatawa, seryoso.
Robert Lee, laban!
Tatawa ni Tabo.
Para dito pointing next game versus Flex.
Ano gusto ko? Maldita! Isa pa! Guys, bakit kayo nagkalaman? What are you doing, my friend? Amen. Okay, serving. Number 1. Chuchung!
There's a live in the video.
R5 na
Ate CJ naman. Isa pa, Ate CJ. Go, Ate CJ. Yan. Nice!
Mati ka pa na rin.
Uy, naman! Busit! Ang nakascore po si CJ Dukusin.
AP Idol, Sayla, now serving.
Chiching! Sorry ate, sorry.
Team captain, para dito po ng team yan. Thank you.
Alalayanin ka na. Alalayanin ka. Why?
Guys, you can see the LeBron James in volleyball.
Next game,
Oh, see?
Omega Q5.
It's outside. Oh my God, mom. You disappointed me. Wow, with matching holding hands with a girl from Cebu. Ito na po ang pinakamaangas. Nice one. Okay, taas mo yan, Min.
Part 1 next game,
Go si Zam, she can do it. LeBron James yan ang bayan. Cisco! Nice. Okay, for the go Ate CJ. One more time, Ate Ashley. Very nice. The bola is oh my god. Now we can all see the girl from Bat Spa. Oh my gulay, what's that? With all the panggigigil and everything. What? Oh, you can see the girl. Oh, what a nice. Okay, now you can see the girl from Cebu with her bra out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, gawa at Ashley. One more time. Oh, the sesame. Oh my god. I think it would be
Part 2 next game,
Parang wala.
Elias versus Team Lud.
Ate
Team
Arich,
Lud
alam mo,
and
mapapalitan ka
Elias
dyan.
next Part 2. Paredy po na.
You can see the plane over there. Hello, goodbye. Wow! The girl from Ateneo. From Ateneo. Hello. Okay, guys, what can you say? Our courtside reporter.
I like the
Paredy po na payment.
Okay, Ate Ashley. Very nice. Nice one, si Zobs. Go, Ate CJ.
Hindi naman, snipe lang, di ba? Oo.
Ano, Tara?
Whose phone is this?
Ilocos Empanada. Ano, Tara?
Rafi.
Nice one. One more time. For the very, very... You can see it. It's up. Wala na.
Point 6 next game.
Arin! Ani ba? Oh, the boxers.
Whoever it's MTV, you can do it.
Can you flex your legs like this?
Of course.
Oh, ang galing na.
Wow, sako.
Not anymore. Yeah. Hindi naka-pentex session na. Basta, 1,050 every session. Kaya nga,
Perfect. By team.
wala ko
Parang kasi nga study doon. Kaya ano?
Emirates NBD. Sponsored by Emirates NBD.
Okay guys, may sinasabi po yung mga ano natin.
Ang taas ng net.
Okay. Dinidinig lang po natin yung mga reklamo ng ating sambayanan. Ngunit hindi po natin ito i-address. Very nice. Sino ba naman? Baba ng gablak sila.
In favor of U5. 8-3. Part 2, next game, Team Luz versus Next.
Shit, magiging sexy na lang ito. Nakabuhu!
Okay, sabi po ng ating ano, ito na ho ang ating pinakamaangas. CJ Dukusi.
10-13 in favor of Next. Next game, Constance versus Next.
Nice, wow! Okay guys, you can see the most beautiful
Marco and Yan
LeBron
versus
James
Team Luz. Team Luz, parede po ng
Flex.
R5. Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah.
Outside.
Parang ang kalaban niyo talaga yung Byron.
And over.
Oo nga.
Parang nakalutang ka dito.
11-5.
First time ba dito ate? Our ballerina. May sana ako kayo.
Nakalaro na nga. Sinabi ko na.
Okay guys, nakakangiti na ho siya.
Again, champion prize, 1,500.
Go sis! Sis! Okay guys, they won. Congratulations Team Flex. What a night. Actually, it's between them and their
Kayo
environment.
po
But
ulit.
now,
Point 6, pasok na po.
they conquered
Kayo
the
po ulit.
hurdles in their lives.
Kayo po ulit.
Very nice. And, wala siyang highlights.